Alright, got a 2024 Hino. It's an IL6. It does have a Cummins engine. Complaint was starter bad. Bendix not engaging. This is what I came back to off vacation. It's all apart already. That might be the issue right there. But it's all apart already. I'm going to put the starter back in it. The batteries are under here. Everything's unhooked. So I had to figure out how everything goes and put it all back together. You know, fresh off vacation. So that's awesome. So he's already got the old starter out. The old starter's not even here. This is the new starter that I'm going to be putting up in there. So let me get to it. So all right, we'll be back here in a few minutes. All right, I'm underneath the truck, and this is what I come back to. Try to figure out where these wires go. I'm pretty sure that's a ground. This one here, and there's another one here that's probably a ground. Gotta see where this goes. I'm pretty sure it's a ground. And there's a couple up here. That's a ground wire. That's the little wire. This one here is the little wire. And I got two here. I'm pretty sure they're positive wires to the battery. So let's see if I can't get this thing going here. Alright, I finally got the wires figured out. Got the starter up in there. Those two here were grounds. It's got 3 bolts holding the starter up. I still gotta get the positives. The positives are up here on that thing right there, right up in here. So I gotta hook those up yet, tighten everything down, and it should be good. So well, let me get this thing hooked up and see if she'll start. All right, got all the wires hooked up on her. All the wires are hooked up. I'm gonna hook up the batteries. We'll go from there, hook up the batteries and see if she cranks up.